This beautiful channel. What if you have a title like this on the video but it is not showing pretty well? Maybe you have done something about it but it is not working. I am here, so stick with me till the end of this video and you are going to be a pro in titling a video, making your title show well, making them well visible to your audience or maybe your viewers, so they will be proud of you. My name is Michael Ejiri, and on this channel we learn a lot about computer hacks and tricks, video editing, DJing and a whole lot. In today's episode, as I said, we are going to add backgrounds, nice backgrounds to titles which are not showing well on our videos because of the interference in the colors between the video background and then the text itself. So without wasting much time, let's get started. If you love my production, kindly hit on the subscribe button, touch on the bell icon over there to be notified whenever I post a video. So if you are new here, I must say you are so welcome, and I have tackled how to add a title onto your timeline, or maybe how to add a title to your videos. Right now there is a title here with the background Opele eating his bread. So the title is not showing well, this Mickey is not showing well. I want to quickly deal with it, make sure it is showing pretty well. You understand? Yes. So let's start all over again. I'm going to add a title, make sure that it is showing very well, this exact Mickey. You understand? Alright, so let's delete this very one, hit on the backspace and get rid of it. So with Ctrl+T, you make another title with this OK. We are not going to rename it, time is not on our side, you understand? You hit on this OK to create a new title panel right here, and on this title panel you will quickly select these tools, one of these tools. I will go for this rectangle tool because I love it most. Understand? You left click on it to select and you click on it and drag it, you hold on to it and drag it, you understand? Yes, automatically you have a certain space, you understand? Yeah, showing that you can put anything at all on it to make it visible or something like that. People actually use this in their music videos or YouTube presentations and other stuffs, especially when the titles are not showing well. It is really disgusting, understand? So you can quickly change the color of this rectangle here to, let's say, yellow by using the properties at the right side here, understand? So you can select this white thing, it says fill, so we are going to change the filling color to, let's say, yellow, understand? Yeah, then you click on this OK. You see it has manifested, nice one. Then you quickly come up here, or you click on your T to select the type tool, understand? Come into any empty space in your panel here and then you left click on it. You have your cursor blinking nicely for you to type anything. So this same Mickey, I will go like this. Do you know why the color is yellow? Because they are all in the same panel and this has that color, you understand? So automatically it is telling you that, oh guy, Mickey, this is the color your panel has synchronized to, but I don't like it. So you come here to click on this arrow for the selection tool and then you come down here to click on the text. Nice one. The text also, or let's say the title, also has its own properties right here. The fill type is solid, but the color is still the same as the yellow one. Yeah, we don't want it because it's not going to be visible when the color is the same as that of the background. So you select it, pull it down here to, let's say, white, and click on the OK. I'm speeding up, right? don't worry, you understand very soon. So you come, you click on the text and then you drag it onto the background you already created with this rectangle tool, you understand? Yes. So automatically you see the title is kind of visible, but I don't love this. I can come back here, select the rectangle and then change the color to, let's say, black or deep green or something like that. Yeah, it's cool. Then you click on OK. Boom, you see that's the color differences. Nice one. Yeah, so you close this one, sharp and then you come down here to your project media bin and you see your title, tiny title right here, I see. Then you drag it onto your timeline and then boom, you have it done right here, you understand? Nice one. It should be kama, and that is Opele eating his bread. So if you love this tutorial, make sure you stick with me. There are a lot what I say. I bet you be brave computer hacks and tricks. Say be a social video editing now, media school me patch. Do not waste your bundle. You can actually be achieving something What you say? Yeah, you know, but I'm profound high and say they learn something from our YouTube channel and that we should add a little English. Into one send MSP nice one. But a Ghana-based tutorial channel, director make official, the youngest creative director. So what you say? Here event Bia or Ghana Chromanum say now per 4K shots there. Director Mickey and our best friend. So what you say? A number on the good screen is on. So guys, that's how you give a title, a nice background, making it so visible. See you guys later and make sure you subscribe. I love you all.